Well, the NYSE President has finally weighed in on the trading of meme stocks. Welcome once again. This is your Minister of Capitalism, Brett Davison. And in today's video, we're going to dive into what the big Wall Streeters think of all this meme stock trading. And I will give you an investing option to help you make money in the stock market. We've averaged to win about 94% of the time when we've used it. But first, let's investigate what the Wall Street insiders think of all this meme trading. Stacey Cunningham, the head of NYSE, says that meme stocks with all their trade happening off public exchanges are being inaccurately priced. Wealthy investors and traders can have an inordinate amount of power when it comes to determining share prices for privately held companies, as there can be little transparency into how shares are traded or what they cost. Meme stocks are some of the most heavily traded and volatile shares on any given day. Shares like those for video game retailer GameStop Corp., symbol G, M, E.N, and theater chain operator MC Entertainment, symbol A, M, C.N, have whipsawed this year, with GME surging more than 1,600% in January alone. This followed a rally by Redditors in the Wall Street Bets forum and prompted trading halts from brokers as well as congressional hearings to discuss regulation issues related to online sites promoting stock. Stacey Cunningham, president of Intercontinental Exchange Inc.'s NYSE, says that in some cases, the vast majority of order flow can trade off exchanges, which is problematic because it might not reflect what supply and demand actually are. That price formation is not really reflective of what supply and demand is, she said to CNBC at a conference about how exchanges work with retail investors today. With the coronavirus pandemic, traders started to flock back into retail trading in droves. It's not just individual investors that are taking advantage of commission-free trades and a shift away from traditional brokerage models. Technical investing has grown by over 50% since before the disease broke out. People were looking for something more active, Cunningham said about how many people have shifted their focus towards stocks with high trading volume on exchanges like NYSE Arca. A majority of retail orders bypass exchanges because they are matched internally by wholesalers who profit off the bid-ask spread. Retail brokers say this system has lower costs for individual traders, which decreases their risk exposure and allows them to trade more frequently without spending as much money on commissions. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has announced that they will review the practice of high-frequency trading as it raises many conflict of interest questions. In addition, Gensler's team is looking into whether off-exchange stock trades distort prices in the market which are otherwise discovered on exchanges. So once again, the big Wall Streeters are looking to clamp down on the little guy. They turn a blind eye when one of their own engages in some insider trading, ignoring all the backdoor deals that they use. But it seems if a group of retail traders find a way to profit, they look for ways to clamp down. From threatening lawsuits to halting trading on certain stock and closing exchanges, they seem to get upset when anyone other than their group makes money. The only way to fix this is to beat them at their own game. Rather than band together and artificially increase supply and demand, my team and I beat the market through hard work and our exclusive trade screening. And it's paid off, with our trade win average being around 94%. We do this using simple, easy-to-follow options trades. We keep our members updated by email whenever we open and close a trade, which means they don't have to be at their computer for the whole trading day. But we are not for everyone. If you want risky day trading or complex option strategies, then we are not for you. But if there's still room on the inside, you can join us at theempiricalcollective.com. Once again, this is your Minister of Capitalism, Brett Davison. And if you'd like to know how to strategically deploy your little money soldiers and have them return with the spoils of war, join us at theempiricalcollective.com.